Hi there! In this tutorial, we'll show you how to reduce spam and fine-tune your keywords monitoring using Brand24. First, tweaking your keywords. If spammy mentions keep creeping in, add specific terms to your excluded word list. For example, if you're tracking apple but want to avoid mentions of the fruit, exclude words like fruit, recipe, or juice. Need more precise results? Add words that must appear alongside your keyword. For instance, to focus on Apple products, you could add iPhone 16 as a required word. Boolean search is a game changer for refining your results. Use operators like AND, OR, and NOT. Want product-specific mentions? Try Apple and iPhone. Want to avoid irrelevant ones? Use Apple, not fruit. You can save your Boolean search as a filter for future use. How cool is that? Next, our AI-powered topic analysis. This feature automatically categorizes mentions by topic. If you spot irrelevant topics, delete them with one click. For a more permanent fix, find key phrases in those topics and add them to your excluded words. Got repeat offenders in your feed? Mute them. Whether it's a specific author or website, you won't see their mentions anymore. And don't worry, you can always unmute them later in your project settings. If certain platforms like TikTok don't fit your monitoring goals, you can exclude them entirely. Head to your project settings and untick the sources you don't need. Overwhelmed by mentions from specific countries or in languages you don't understand? Filters to the rescue. Use geolocation filters to exclude mentions from unwanted countries. Apply language filters to focus on what matters. You can even combine these filters for ultra-specific results. Finally, if your keyword is super popular and you're drowning in mentions, use the influence score. This helps you focus on high-impact mentions by filtering out the noise. We hope this tutorial clears things up. If you're still dealing with unwanted mentions, feel free to reach out to your account manager. Our customer support team is always happy and ready to help you. Happy monitoring!